Thank you, Zia, Samia. Very good evening, Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Special Guest, fellow journalist friends, my beloved JCI members from all over the Bangladesh. Very good evening. I welcome you all at this inauguration program of JCI National Governing Body 2021. We stepped into the year 2021 accepting the new life we have adopted during COVID since this year. We will continue all our curriculum and will work for the JCI Bangladesh during this year with hope and enthusiasm. We remember today fellow members Tanvir Ahmed from JCI Dhaka North, whom we have lost to COVID. We pray for his departed soul. It is an absolute honor to speak here today as your elected national president. This year, first time in 21 years of JCI Bangladesh, the president has been elected with majority votes. This was only possible by all of you, the open-minded and believers of democratic rights. However, this may be the first presidential election, but this surely will not be the last. Such presidential election and the practice of democracy must go on. I thank everyone who voted for me and made this change possible. Let us all strive for equity, equal opportunity, fairness, empathy into our community and further. Bangladesh is marking its 50th birthday anniversary, and our country has excelled in almost all global ranking. The average per capita income has been increased $1,000 in 40 years. Today we are also celebrating Mujib Barsho, marking 100 years of legacy of our great leader, our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. And Rahman, who instilled his dreams, seized patriotism in the youth of our country. As your national president, I would like to request all of your support. Put sincere effort to the local chapters by following JCI themes RISE, which stand for Rebuild, Invest, Sustain, Evolve. To my end, I convey my appreciation and I am such obliged to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Hassan Mahmood MP, Honorable Minister, Minister of Information, Javed Patel, Deputy High Commissioner, British High Commission to Dhaka, my big brother, Professor Arafat Rahman, Chairman, Shuchinta Foundation, Barrister Shah Ali Farad, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister, and we have Mohammad Mizanur Rahman, Chairman, Fortune Group. Past national presidents, senators, national governing boards, local presidents, and everyone present here. I would like to thank Imran Kadir, the Vice President and COC of this event, and his team to work very hard for the last 2-3 days. My sincere heartfelt thanks to our platinum sponsor Fortune Group, gold sponsor Wasabi, Aristocrat Events, B&O Lubricants, and also Orchard Group, silver sponsor D Coordinator and Ahmed Group, bronze sponsor Farm Routes and Spectrum. Also thanks to our hospitality partner, La Meridian. Let us all hope, strive towards a positive and productive year ahead. Be you to grow beyond. Thank you, everyone.